Ayun, another sedan po. Ayun, yung mga naghahanap po last time ng mga sedan, ito. Medyo marami na yung mga dumating. Ayan, 2022 Mazda 3 Sport. Automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is GS. Odometer po niya is 66,000 km, 84 months to pay or 7 years to pay, 123 tax included. Ayun, black color na sedan. And then naka-semi tinted din po yung kanyang salamin, 5-seater seat, leather seat, sunroof, check. Hatchback. Ayun. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. Yun, Mazda 3 all-wheel drive. Sakto nitong parating na winter. Ayan, yan din yung kanyang trunk o yung kanyang compartment. Spare tire accessories, check. Yan, hatchback. And then, interior po niya rito sa likuran is ganito. Ayan, 5-seater seat, leather seat, sunroof, check. Yung interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. Check natin. Ayan. And then yung adjustment po ng kanyang upuan is dito po siya. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang move forward, back forward, up and down. Ayusin ko lang yung aking chair. Ayan. Then ito po yung kanyang susi. Ayan. 2022 Mazda 3. Mazda 3. Backside po yung kanyang susi. Then, press button start. And then, yung parking brake po niya, ito, dipindot po siya. And then, cross control. Ayan. And then, same time, namomonitor nyo yung takbo nyo. And then, yung kilometer po niya is yun, 68,563. And then, reverse camera, yun. Clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. Ayan, pagkalagay mo sa park, ayan, kung sa pong mag-adjust yung side mirror, ayan, reverse camera, mag-adjust po siya. Then, lagayan ng drains. And then, dito po yung kanyang monitor, patungo doon sa kanyang, ayan, ewan ko lang kung touchscreen doon. Hindi siya touchscreen. Dito po yung kanyang controller. Ayan, patungo doon sa kanyang monitor. Ayan, and then, yung compartment niya, 5-seater seat, leather seat. Then yung kanyang manual, may lagayan ka ng shadow glasses dito. Then yung cover po niya, pull and push lang po siya. Yan, kung gusto mong hangin galing sa labas, ayan, pwede nyo po siyang i-open. Pag ayaw mo, pwede mo siyang i-close dito. Ayan. Then, oh, lakas ng kanyang hangin. Iwasan natin yung kanyang hangin. And then, hot steering wheel niya is dito. Yan, magagamit nyo po yan pagdating ng winter. Lalo pat parating ng winter next month. And then, heated seat po niya is dito. Ayan. Ready na ba ang lahat sa snow? Ayan. Babagsak na si Haring Snow this coming November 4. Ayan. And then, same time na monitor nyo po yung takbo ninyo. Ayan. Yan siya. Ulitin ko lang po yung kanyang reverse camera. Yan. Reverse camera cleared. So, ulitin ko lang po. 2022 Mazda 3 Sport. Automatic all-wheel drive. Number of cylinder po niya is 4. Version po niya is GS. Odometer po niya is yun. 68,563 km. 84 months to pay. Or 7 years to pay, 123 tax included. First oil po niya is free. Unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires libre. Yan. Ayan. Black color. Ito po siya mga ka-first na yan. So, yan. So, once again, 2022 Mazda 3 Sport. 84 months to pay or 7 years to pay, 123 tax included. PM na lang po kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!